We're here today. We're going to actually try to trade this unit today. See if we can't make a trade happen. I'll let you know when we get there. Alright, here we are. We made the trade deal happen. He was satisfied with the Kubota diesel. Now we got us a ragged out CF Moto 800. Show you guys a lot more of it when we get home. Here we are back at the house. Sorry I never get videos unloading it. This is it though. Somehow they got the winch cable all the way out. Seems like they got some wires hanging here. I believe it's for the light bar. That's what it looks like, a relay for the light bar and a positive and negative. Looks like when they replaced the battery here, they didn't put it back on. For the most part, the motor looks pretty clean. It is the V-twin 800. We have a lot of wires here in the floor. I know it has a radio in here. I've seen it, and I guess that's what all those wires are going to. I wonder why it didn't work. I want to say it has 712 miles. Is that right? I don't know how you get it to change. That's right, that's really low miles. Now the biggest issue with this thing was the front diff. He told me it needed a front diff. So, but it's still a running and driving machine. We actually need to put a front diff in it. I got the drive shaft and all the bolts for it. Get this light bar wired up.